guys. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Alright, you welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Isaac Eskin, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you quickly how to register for the GRE exams with a voucher code from 8B Education, or with any voucher code that you have. So I'm going to show you how to register for the GRE exams with your voucher code. Alright, so follow me and let's go. Now, we mostly register with the ETS, that's the Educational Testing Center. So just search ETS on Google. Educational Testing Service, sorry, not center. So you search for ETS on Google. This is the official website. So you go to the official website, which is ets.org. Yes. So now this is the official website. Now when you come to this interface, you click on register or login, and that is at the top here. So you click on register or login, and then you wait for the next interface. Alright, so this is the interface. Now you have to select GRE because it is GRE you want to sign into. Now if you don't have an account, just click on create account in order to get your account set up. But I am assuming that you already have an account, so just click on sign in to go into your account. So click on sign in so that you can log in into your account. So you select sign in. Alright, let me accept all the cookies. So you click on sign in order to sign in. Right. If you want to create an account, you can just put your email address there and then you get started. However, just as I said, I am assuming that you already have an account, so we are signing in into our account. Alright, so I'm going to use my account as an example to go through the process with you. So here I put in my username. Oh, okay, I already have an account here, so I have it saved here. So put in your username and then your password, then you sign in. Click on sign in. And we wait for the next interface to load. Alright, so now we are here. Now this is the home page. When you log into your account, this is how the home page looks like, right? So what you want to do is that you want to click on register or find test centers date. So this tab, you click on this tab because you want to register for the exams. So we click on register or find test centers, date. Now we wait for it to load. Alright. Now here you want to select the test that you want to register for. So we have the GRE general test, we have the GRE mathematics test, which is just mathematics, we have the GRE physics, and then psychology. However, we want to do the registration for the GRE general test. So depending on what you want to write, you select it from here, right? But I'm doing this video for the GRE general test. If you want to register for the mathematics test, you go for that. If it is physics, psychology, you choose whatever you want. However, in this video, I am doing it for the GRE general test. So I'll select the GRE general test. Now we have two options here. Either you take the test at home or you find a test center near you. Then you go and write. Right? So two options. Either you take the test at home or you find a test center around you, then you go and write. Now, of course, people do it at home, but I will advise, if your internet connectivity is not good, please do not select test at home, because there are a lot of terms and conditions with that. You can go and read on that. You click on info, go and read on that. If you think you can comply with the terms and conditions they have when you are testing at home, then fine, go ahead and select that. However, for the purpose of this video, we are looking at finding a test center around you. So I'll put in my location. For in Ghana, I'll select Accra. Yes, because Accra is the common center. It's the common place we have a lot of centers. Right, so I'll select Accra, Ghana. Then The next thing is you want to find test date. So here they have the month where you can select the date actually you want to take your test, right? So here we have January 2025, we have February 2025. If you want to keep on searching for the month, you use this button here, this blue button. You click it, it will take you to the next month, that is the March. You click it again, you go to the next month, which is April. So you keep on clicking till you get the month that you want to write the exams in. For the purpose of this video, maybe I'll go with January, or let's say February. Let me select February, right? For the purpose of this video, maybe I would want to select a date in February, so I'll put it here, January or February. Then I click on continue. So I am waiting for the next interface to quickly load. Alright, so on this interface you can see the 2 month here, but I want to write it in February. Now what it means is that the date that have been highlighted green are the seats that are available, right? Or they are the dates that are available that you can write the exams. Now the ones that are highlighted ash means that those dates or those particular dates, there are no exams available for those dates, or there are no seats available for those dates, right? So here in February it means 3rd, 4th, 5th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and all those dates that are highlighted light green, they are all available to register for the exam. So suppose that I choose 4th February, I click on it. Now the moment you select the date, you see that that particular date becomes highlighted with a brown color. That is the date you have chosen, right? So I have chosen 4th February. Now after you choose the date, the actual date, you now come to show test times. You have to choose the time that you write the exams after selecting the date. So you click on show test times to see the times that are available on the 4th of February, which is the date that I have chosen for the exams. Alright, so you scroll down to see the date. So you can see we have 8 a.m. there are seats available. We have 10:15 a.m. there are seats available. We have 12 p.m. and then 2:15. So these are the test times available on 4th February. Right, I chose 4th February 2025, which is a Tuesday, and on that Tuesday I can take the exams. From these available times. So either 8 a.m., 10:15 a.m., 12 p.m. or 2:15. Let's say I go for because of traffic in Accra, I will definitely go for 12 p.m. right, or 2:15. So if you are choosing 12 p.m., then you click on register. So we wait for the next interface to load. After we click on register, so you come to this interface where you see the test that you are trying to register for. That's the general test. You see your test date and time, Tuesday, February 4th, 12 p.m. and then the test center. The test center is where you are going to take the test, which is Accra, Ghana, APCU 823, right? So now you read the privacy information, the accommodation information is there, testing policies. You can go through all that. After you go through, you click on I understand and agree to the testing policies and terms and conditions above. When you tick that, you click on next. Alright, so now it leads you to this landing page, right? So here you check for your personal information. Mind you, if your personal information on what they have on your site is different from what you present on the test day, it might be prevented from writing. So check that everything is correct there, then you click on next. Now we are waiting for the next interface to load. Alright, so now this is the next interface. So it says yes, I would like to register. We have preference here. Now this side doesn't actually matter also. If you select yes, I would like to register for the GRE Search Service and agree to above, they will ask you some few questions that about your undergraduate degree or your graduate degree, whatever you want to do, the schools you are trying to apply to. They will ask you some basic questions. To save time, I would select no. I would prefer not to register for the service at this time, then click on next. However, you can still select yes and answer those questions, right? It's just a search service, so it doesn't alter, it doesn't change anything you are trying to do for your registration. So I'll select no. I've selected no for now. It brings me here to this background information. So try to fill this. What country are you a citizen, whatever. Go through all this and select the right answers that apply to you or applicable to you. Now after that, you just click on next. So now it brings you to this page, which is the shop GRE test prep. So here you would want to buy some learning materials. When you scroll down, you see some learning materials. For instance, you have the official GRE mentor prep course, which is $100. You have the vocabulary flashcards, $50, and the psychology flashcard. So if you have money to purchase them, fine. If you don't have money, skip. Now we have some 2 practice tests. When you scroll down, you see some 2 practice tests that are free. You don't need to pay for them, right? So you come to order. When you see other, you see Power Prep 1 on time practice test, which is a free tool that helps you inform your test prep journey. So there are two tests here that you can just add to your cart. You see it's $0, so they are actually free. So click on add to cart. You can also add this one to cart. You add both of them, and then you click on continue to check out. And when you click on continue to check out, okay, so you are waiting for the next interface. All right, so it brings you to this particular page or this particular interface where you see your registration details and everything. Now at this point, you will see the price over here, which is $220, and then the test preparation, the shop, the test that the materials that is shopped for, you see them here. Now you click on proceed to checkout. So we are waiting for the next interface to look good. So on this checkout page, this is where you are going to put your voucher. You put it here in this particular box. You put your voucher that was given to you either by HB or any other organization. So if you have a voucher code to register for the GRE exam, this is where you put or you paste your voucher code. So you copy it wherever you have it, you paste it here, then you click on apply. And when you click on apply, you realize that the voucher code will be applied, and then you are not going to pay anything. So this $220 will change to $0 when you apply your voucher. When you come to the total amount, you see $0. Then you click on pay now, and that is it. You have registered for it, right? If you don't have a voucher and you still want to go ahead to pay for the exams, then you click on pay now so that you can pay for the exams. But if you have a voucher, put it in the section that I showed you, and then you get the voucher applied, and then immediately the voucher is applied, you are done registering for the exams. All right, so this is all about applying the voucher code, the GRE voucher code, to register for the GRE exams. I hope this video was helpful and it was resourceful. Have a nice day.